We did our project on the wombat.
The wombat's population is threatened because of the human impacts. The humans destroyed the habitats, they hunted them too much, and the drought made it hard for the wombats to find food.
The scientific name for the wombat is Wombatidae. Some adaptations that the wombat had to survive are long claws for digging, thick behind for when predators attack. It actually can hurt the predator, and it's hard to rip the skin apart, and they are nocturnal so they can hunt at night. The length of a wombat living conditions is when it's in the wild, it can live up to 15 years and 20 years in captivity. The wombat reproduces sexually, which means it needs another wombat to reproduce. The length of a wombat is 3.3 feet and the weight is 44 to 77 pounds. The wombat lives in the grassland biome. In the grassland biome, there is male biodiversity. It is hot in the summer, it can get over 100 degrees, and it is cold in the winter. It can get as low as -40 degrees. Some places the grassland biome is found in is Australia, eastern and southern Victoria, South Australia, and many other places.
In a wombat's ecosystem, there is little rainfall. The temperatures in the summer usually average at about 95 degrees. In the winter, the temperatures are about -35 degrees. Typically, a wombat lives in a burrow that about 5 feet to 10 feet deep. They like to live in the grassland biome because grass is the main source of food. Did you know that a wombat is a herbivore? They only eat grass and flowers. An interesting food chain for a wombat is that the producer, which is grass, gets eaten by a wombat, which is eaten by a fox, which is eaten by a wolf.